Hello, my name is Makini. I am in the Student Success Services Department. I am one of two behavioral health counselors and also the business programs advisor. And I'm going to show you how to use the Student Success YouTube page. So when you go to RTC Student Success Services, you type that in on YouTube, you get this page. These are the videos that were uploaded directly to this page, but more importantly, what you want to do is go to playlists. When you go to playlists, you'll see introductions from a few different departments within Student Success Services here at Renton Technical College. And probably more importantly, advisor how-tos. And so this is where you learn how to log into Canvas, how to register for classes after your first quarter, how to navigate the rtc.edu website. And there's another one on there, but we're uploading them and adding them as we create videos. So this may be a really helpful place for you if you forget how to do stuff. The other thing I wanted to show you is the incoming student information webpage. So if you're new, and you probably for fall of 2021 attended one of these orientations, but if you did not, rtc.edu/orientation is a great space to go to learn about all of the things having to do with being a student here at Renton Technical College, from the programs that we offer to frequently asked questions, to how to get textbooks. It's got everything. And on the right side has all of the main departments that you'd probably want to coordinate with. And so I just wanted to quickly show you that too. But anyway, back to the Student Success Services YouTube page. Just come on over and check us out. And that's how you navigate this YouTube page. Bye.